We study very hard to be a physio, you know.
Of course lah. Burn the midnight
Go
oil
through a
and
lot
all
of
that.
exams also.
Just need to go for a short course, then can be physio already. Oh my god, the amount of years I need to study.
I think physio, there's a lot of misconception. People always thought that we are either musculoskeletal or neuro, but I think it comprises of really multi-organs or multi-physiological interactions.
Especially in critical care.
Yeah, it's not, even right now, I'm still learning, especially in terms of in medical conditions.
Right, and then medicine and everything are changing, medical conditions.
Yeah.
With recently COVID, it's a whole new, always constant learning process.
So it is a proper course. It's not something that's overnight being discovered and all. Yeah, because we are handling patients' lives, and that's important. Yeah, we need to care for you, understand what is your medical condition. Without the prior knowledge of all that, I highly doubt we can do a good job in helping you.
Right, this one here, I do get a lot. Physiotherapy only for massage. Same as chiropractor. Same as chiropractor. For us, we do manual therapy. So manual therapy would involve things like massage, mobilization, spinal mobilization, and manipulation. We also do a lot of education, like in terms of like teaching the patients how to do certain exercises, helping with say their office setup. We also teach about talk about pain mechanism or patients that suffer from chronic pain. We'll talk about those as well.
We studied that 4-year course, right, to learn a lot more, and we can do a lot more for patients also. So massage is just something that that helps patients find it useful.
There are other things which are much more evidence-based that can help to heal you better and all. So it's not just about massage.
做这个做那个，最后做还是一样，浪费钱。
Show some more in the main thing lah. Yeah. So if the patient were to ask this and all, I think we will have to first address what is the goal that we want to work with the patient in the first place.
The important thing is actually to let the patients know what you're doing for them before your session.
Correct.
So that you guys are on the same page lah.
We understand it's frustrating. Sometimes if things don't happen the way you want them to, and I think one of the things which people should speak about is sometimes conditions are complicated. You have tried a lot of different things and it's not working. Then it's time to have an honest conversation how it's being managed. And I think honest expectations and co-managing is important.
Yeah.
To all my physiotherapy colleagues in the various disciplines and all, thank you for working hard in driving and letting others know what the role of physiotherapy is in their rehabilitation. Yeah. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart.
I think we have done great work over the past many years, and I hope everyone continues to find meaning and passion in what they do to help more people, especially when we are facing an aging population problem.
I think every year that we progress as a physiotherapist, it's a privilege to be in the profession. It's great when I see how enthusiastic my colleagues and my juniors are, and it's inspiring because people keep that passion year after year and it grows in the team. It doesn't matter whether you're a new grad or you've worked for 20 years, that same drive is what keeps the service improving. Not because of anything else, but because you genuinely care about the person.
Honestly, I think physio is really very fulfilling. And then I feel that I'm still learning as a physiotherapist. It's an ever-learning journey for me, and I'm sure it's for everybody as well. So I think, yeah, you got a good choice as a physio.
Happy Physiotherapy Day!
Happy Physiotherapy Day!
Happy Physiotherapy Day!